Hey guys, welcome to Series by Sampada. In this video, I am going to show you how to make perfect bakery style black forest cake. So let's get started. Let's start making cherry syrup first. For that, in a hot pan, add half cup of water, 6 to 7 cherries. I am using dry cherries. 1 teaspoon sugar. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you will notice that cherries become soft and will give nice light cherry flavor to our water. At that point switch off the flame and remove the cherries from the syrup. Cut these cherries with the help of knife as we are going to use it for the frosting. Friends, this is the cherry syrup which I have transferred it in a bowl. Friends, this is the basic chocolate sponge cake. You can see my video of chocolate ganache cake for this chocolate base. For chocolate ganache cake, you can click the link appearing above. Also, I am going to give the link in description box below. As I am making 3 layers of cake, I am cutting the cake in 3 layers with the help of serrated knife. Friends, can you see how soft and spongy our cake is turned out? Then for the frosting, I have this 2 cup of whipped cream. Apply some whipped cream on a cake board so that our cake will not move. On that, place our first chocolate cake layer. After placing the first layer, press it gently. Make sure the cake base is properly fixed. Then with the help of brush, apply cherry syrup over the cake. Apply good amount of syrup on edges. Once you're done with cherry syrup, apply dollop cream and spread it evenly. I am using palette knife to spread the cream. You can use butter knife or any other flat spatula. Over the cream, spread some chopped cherries which we have used earlier in our cherry syrup. After that, place second layer and repeat the procedure. And finally, I am placing my third cake layer. I am placing this third cake layer upside down so that I can apply frosting easily. Once we're done with top layer frosting, apply frosting over entire cake. After applying frosting over entire cake, clean the cake board with the help of tissue and keep it aside. Then for decoration of the black forest cake, I am using this dark chocolate compound. And to make small curls, I am using this grater. Grate this dark chocolate compound with the grater. Friends, you can see we get these nice small chocolate curls. Apply these chocolate curls on all the sides of the cake. Do not apply too much pressure while applying these dark chocolate curls. If you apply too much pressure, then these chocolate curls may get sticky and it will be very difficult to clean our cake board. With the help of Noor N1 number nozzle, I am making small swirls. Once the piping is done, spread the chocolate curls on top of cake also. Place cherries on the icing flowers. And in last, remove the chocolate curl gently from the cake board. Friends, here is our perfect bakery style black forest cake is ready. If you like this perfect bakery style black forest cake recipe, then subscribe my channel and do share the video with your friends and family.